Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue changing the display resolution on Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that guys. Easy method. Go for it. Right click on display and go to display setting over here. Click on it and go for scale layout and you need to click recommendation 100 and you need to select display resolution to 1001 440 into 900. That's be good. Change like this whatever display you have good idea, keep that guys. And next thing, you scroll down guys, go to related settings, advanced display information and refresh rate. Click on it and in here you need to select display adapter properties for display 1 and go to adapters and click on properties over here. And in here you need to select drivers tab and you need to select update driver and browse my computer for driver. Click on it and let me pick from the available list on my computer. And already is selected guys, defaulted. You just click on next and that is installing drivers for your computer. After that, close out of here guys. Everything the processing guys. Just you need to check for Windows update guys. Go to settings, open it and left side you need to select Windows update over here down. And if you have any available updates over here, you must need to download it guys. That's very important for your PC guys. That will refresh you. You are up to date. You need to have this tick mark. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.